lovelies, and welcome back to my channel. My name's Nancy. Thank you so much for watching. Today is another BOXYCHARM unboxing videos, and I've actually felt like I haven't done a BOXYCHARM unboxing in a while. So here I am today with this box. This is the October box, and as always, I'm going to create a look using the products that I received in this box. I did open the box up just to see what kind of products I got and to see if I can prep my face beforehand, and that is exactly what I did. I already used some concealer and foundation and my brows, and everything else will be done using the products in this box, and I will be showing you guys the products that I received in this box. So let's just go ahead and get into it. I got the BOXYCHARM catalog that they have in here. So we got, the theme is alter ego. So as you can see here, looking pretty chic right here. Got some models on there. Then of course we got the products on here. We also get 10% off IT Cosmetics on our next purchase. We just use the code just for you Boxy. So yeah, that is all that we have. I have the products on here. So let's just get into the first product that I got in my BOXYCHARM. And the first product that I saw is this Dermovia Black Bamboo Charcoal Peel Off Mask. So it looks like this. And of course, I'm not going to be using this right now, but I will definitely be using it off camera. Intense exfoliating facial mask with compression lace support. Oh, I've never used that type of mask before, so I'm super excited to use this product. So yeah, definitely will be trying this one out. This one retails for $30. OMG, that's quite pricey. But we do get two lace mask in 2 milliliters of a tube. Oh, okay, that is really unique. Next product that I have on here is the Pharmacy Green Clean Makeup Melt Away Cleansing Balm. Oh, that's perfect. I'm actually running out of my Clinique Cleansing Balm, and that is the makeup balm that I use to take away all the makeup. So I'm definitely going to be using this product to erase this makeup off my face. So, oh, it's green. Oh, that's pretty cool. It's pretty unique. Nourishing facial cleansing balm that melts away makeup and pollution residue. Even the boldest eye makeup and long wear foundation is easily removed, leaving skin hydrated and silky smooth. Okay, yes, super excited. It came at the right time. That one is $22. Okay, that is not too bad at all. $22. All right, and we shall get into the actual makeup look. So I have the Pure Cosmetics Midnight Masquerade face palette. And so I love this design. It's super cute. You guys can see that. It has like the little masquerade mask in the front. Then I open it up, and then we got this blushes and highlight on this side. And then of course we have some eyeshadows over here, and we have a little mirror up here. Never leave that mirror out, of course. And I'm going to create an eye look using this product. And yeah, let's just go ahead and jump into this product. I'm going to just go ahead and start immediately with this dark brown shade right here. So this shade is called Sneak Peek. I've already primed my eyes as well, so I am just going to put this all over. I'm going to blend on the outer corners and putting it towards the inner corner. I've always mentioned I'm always loving a good dark brown shade in a palette, because the dark brown shade just makes everything go so well together. It's not gonna lie, this shadow is a little bit patchy, as you can see on here. Having like a hard time blending it. Of course, you can always make it work. I'm just going in with my NARS concealer. I am going to apply some of that in that space in the center of my lid. So for the center shade, I am going to use this shade called Disguise. This nice purple shade right here. I'm just going to take these off because they are kind of in my way. So I'm going to spritz a little bit of my Cover FX Dewy Finish Setting Spray onto my brush. There we go. We have a little bit more color shining through. I'm going back in with that dark Sneak Peek shade, and I am going to apply that more on the outer corners. We always want the sides to blend seamlessly. I can't talk, you guys. But yes, so that is why I am going in with that shade again. Dragging it towards the center as well. Alright, so I will go and continue with the eyes, but for now I am going in with my favorite bronzer from Marc Jacobs. Go back into the palette and we are going into this shade called Enchantment. Ooh, okay, this is really pigmented. Ooh, okay. And really coppery. It's also pretty shimmery, so if you guys aren't really into like shimmery blushes, then this might not be for you, but I love a shimmery blush. I'm going in with this top shade Twilight. Take some of that. Oh yeah, that's a nice one. I love that since the blush is a little bit shimmery and it has that nice highlight, it's just accentuating the colors of the highlight, which I really like. So down the nosies. Let's accentuate this pimple that I have on here, you guys. Add a liner onto my eyes. So I'm going to add some of these lashes. These are the Kiss lashes and these are the foaming collection in this is in this style Noir. Right, lashes are on and I am almost done with this look and the products that I received in my BOXYCHARM. Next up I got is the Superhero It Cosmetics mascara. So this is actually a mascara that I've been wanting to try. I'm going to add just a little bit on here because I could kind of tell that my lashes are showing a little bit under here. I kind of want it to camouflage with the lashes. So I'm just going to add some on here. Going back into the palette one last time, I'm going to conclude my eye look with this shade called Exposed. Alright, and to conclude the look, I'm going in with a lipstick that I got in here, and this is the Kat Von D Everlasting Liquid Lipstick. I'm super excited about this because I love Kat Von D's liquid lipstick. And I actually haven't bought one in a long time, so that's why I'm super excited to receive this in my box. And the shade Lovesick, and this one retails for $20, and the Superhero mascara from It Cosmetics retails for $24. So we are getting some good products in here for a really good price, you guys. Just applies so nicely and smoothly, and the doe foot applicator is really comfortable. I created a really monochromatic look. It actually matches my eyes, so I really like that. I actually didn't know how this color was going to swatch on my lips, so I feel like it's not too far from my eyes, which is really nice. But this is actually not the color that I would really go for, but of course I always like trying new products, and that is why I am still so loyal to my BOXYCHARM box. But yes, that is all that I have on here, and this is the look that I created with the products that I received in here. I am going to actually spray with my Color FX real quick. Okay, so I'm completely done now, you guys. So this is the look that I created. I really hope you guys like this video. I really hope you guys enjoy what I got in my BOXYCHARM. If you guys are interested in the products that I received in here, you guys should definitely check out BOXYCHARM.com. Thank you guys so much for watching my video. If you guys like this video, please don't forget to thumbs up and subscribe to my channel before you all leave. And I will see you guys on my next video. Bye!